What's up, you money makers? In this video, I want to share some juicy information about Safemoon. Safemoon has been doing pretty good. I want to share some of the key performance indicators or KPIs about Safemoon. It has been super interesting for me to see while I was doing my research and analysis. Did you know that Safemoon now has 1.3 million holders? Yes, there are 1.3 million Safemoon holders right now that are holding Safemoon cryptocurrency. Did you know that there are 386,000 Twitter followers for Safemoon? Yes, it is growing community on Twitter. They have been keeping us very informed and posted. Did you know that Safemoon will fully available in 7 new exchanges within 1 week from now? It is going to definitely increase the momentum and the volume that we have been seeing for Safemoon. And what does that mean? If there is more volume, the price will spike up, that we have seen also in the past. For many of our cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin, we have been seeing that if there is a strong community support, the price spikes up in no time. Is there any momentum for Safemoon? Yes, definitely. Can it go 10x? Probably yes. Can it go 100x? It could, if there is a strong support from the community, if there is a lot of momentum from the community, if there's a lot of volume from the community. Did you know that just Safemoon price spiked 75% in just last 24 to 48 hours? That is amazing to see. Safemoon was down right here at the 400 levels. Take a look where Safemoon is. It is almost at 700 levels. It did go above 700 levels, 762 just right here from 400 levels, as I just showed you. And at that point, it was more than 80% up. Now, if you take a look at the price point right now, it is 70% up in last 24 hours. The volume right now is a little bit down, but it was up by 17 to 20% just before an hour while I was doing my research. If you take a look right here, there is a huge volume spike around 1 a.m. this morning, and since then there's volume is a little bit down, but the Safemoon price has been going to the upwards direction. Now, I want to also clarify that it is not just only Safemoon that is down. There are most of all the cryptocurrencies were down, including Bitcoin. Bitcoin is getting back up to $51,000 level, as you can see right here. Dogecoin is almost back up at 29 cents level as well. So the cryptocurrency is coming back up. One of the major reason is the announcement from Biden around the taxes and the capital gain taxes that he announced, that caused some of the concerns both for stock market and for the cryptocurrency market as well. And the Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, all the cryptocurrencies were down, and Safemoon was not an exception. Definitely it did go down. I want to talk about some of the FAQs as well. If you haven't liked this video, click on the like button, give me a like for Safemoon so this video can reach to more and more people. We want to create a lot more awareness. We want to share this information and context within the community. One of the challenge that we have right now is Safemoon is searched 100%, 100 points, as you can see on the search portal. But one of the challenge that we have right now is it is not easy to buy. So you have to use some of your trust wallet software, or maybe you have to use PancakeSwap if you don't really want to buy directly from PancakeSwap. So they have the video right here as to how you can buy. You can just go to the trust wallet, you can just go to the PancakeSwap in your browser, and then you can swap Binance coin for Safemoon. And that's one of the challenge. It's complex, so not many people can buy at the moment. If there is someone not really savvy on mobile or computer, they have challenges to buy Safemoon. And hey, whenever there is this community will join buying more Safemoon. In my opinion, if there's more volume, the price is going to spike up. Let's take a look. 386,000 followers for Safemoon. Let's take a look how the Safemoon is doing. 1.3 million holders that are holding Safemoon cryptocurrency at the moment. What do you think? It was 1.2 million holders just before a few hours that I'll share with you in a moment. Now let's take a look. Safemoon developers are keeping us posted. It is launched on Litecoin exchange._io, and it is 100% available. Before it was only BNB, not anymore. You can just go and buy Safemoon directly on this Let's exchange_io. I'm not familiar with, but let's take a look at this article or this tweet right here. It was 1.2 million holders just before 9 hours, before 24 24 hours, it had only 1 million holders. So we added 30% more Safemoon holders just in 24 hours. There's a strong momentum. There's a strong commitment from the community, and there's a whole community behind Safemoon, similar to what we saw for Dogecoin as well. And the developers are keeping us posted. Let's take a look. They have also announced it will available on Hotbit_news. This is a new exchange, maybe a smaller exchange. I'm not super familiar with this exchange, but what it means is if it expands to more and more exchanges, more and more people will be able to buy, more and more investment will go into the Safemoon, in general cryptocurrencies, so on and so forth. It is also now changing the game on tokenomics, and as you can see, they are keeping us pretty much up to date with what's going on. Now let's take a look how high Safemoon can go. Cryptocurrency prices creeping higher again after the recent crash. And as I just mentioned, it's not just the cryptocurrency for Safemoon only, it was the entire market that was down. Let's take a look. For last 24 hours, the price went to 0.00009. It was the highest price that we had seen for last 5 days, and it went to all the way 200 levels. But after that, look at this, from 200 levels, it went all the way above 700 levels right now, and it was actually close to 800 levels right here, 762. So it had seen a massive spike back up as well. They tweeted positive message that 378,000 followers, and they're so incredibly lucky. This is what the developer says, that have holders from day one. We see you, we see your commitment, we see your patience from the whole Safemoon. Thank you for coming with us on this journey, putting your trust in us, so on and so forth. So they are pretty bullish as well. Safemoon's Facebook page tells us the buyer by simply holding, not selling, because what they're trying to do is they're penalizing. You have to pay the Safemoon sales tax, because when you sell the Safemoon, they deduct 10% as a tax / penalty, whatever you want to call it. 5% goes back to whoever that is holding Safemoon for a long period of time. And I have seen in my own software wallet as well that it adds up every single day, or every single hour, every single minute, I want to say, it adds up in a very small quantity, and I have earned a lot more as reward in last 24 hours as well. So that's something you also want to look into, and you want to make sure that you want to hold it for a long time. I'm not a financial advisor by no means, so you do your own due diligence and research before you buy or sell Safemoon, because it's a very risky investment, but you can earn a huge return as well. Let's take a look at this Twitter. Safemoon is being listed on 7 new exchanges in this upcoming week. So next few days, you'll be able to see Safemoon on more and more exchanges. What does it tell you? It tells you that Safemoon will be available for wider and wider community. More and more people will be able to easily buy Safemoon, which is hard to buy at the moment. Before it launches on Binance or Coinbase, so on and so forth, by the time it launches on the bigger exchange like Kraken, Binance, Coinbase, the Safemoon initially was a very small price point. Now it is available on larger exchanges, and the price goes higher and higher and higher. So you want to be one of the early investor if you're looking for 1,000 times gain, 10,000 times gain, and whatever we have seen, like very juicy gain that investors are getting. And there is a whole community behind it. Get as much as the Bitcoin did 10 years ago. Never give up. So this Reddit user is super bullish on Safemoon. And not only that, there's the strongest will survive. That makes you different from people. Hold it, do not sell, so on and so forth. And there are 105 comments, and there are ton of comments for Safemoon on Reddit and Wall Street Bad community in general. On the top of that, I want to share one of this information. This is a great article that I've also seen as well that has some frequently asked questions that people have been asking. Some of the basic information about Safemoon, because this is a very popular community, but there is a large chunk of investment group that is still trying to figure out how to buy, what is Safemoon, why that is risky, how many Safemoon tokens are available, so on and so forth. So let's review that. I want to share some of the very important information with you, so watch the full video. Safemoon price prediction: should you choose it over Doge? Now, personally, I also hold Doge and I love Dogecoin, but I got into Doge at a very lower price. Now, it still has a lot more potential, because I truly believe that having Elon Musk, Mark Cuban, having Snoop Dogg, and hopefully Jeff Bezos, who knows when, right? So if there are a lot of big celebrities, big billionaires, and a lot of people are behind and supporting a particular cryptocurrency, there are a lot of chances that it'll skyrocket in a short period of time. So should you buy Safemoon over Doge? Yes or no, it depends upon what is your risk tolerance, how much you want to trade. But I want to say that there could be an opportunity for Safemoon. Let's say if there's 100%, 100 times price point for Safemoon, what happens is if you invested just $100, it becomes, you can convert, you can turn $100 into $10,000. So that's the beauty of Safemoon. Yes, it is risky, but what is your risk? In my case, let's say if I'm investing only $100, and by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence, but let's say if I invest just $100 and if the price goes 100 times more than what it is today, and there's a huge possibility that that can happen. Take a look right here. There are 5 zeros before it starts adding some numbers right here. So there's a possibility that it can be just right here, or it can be half a penny, or it can be 1/10 of a penny, so on and so forth. So that makes it 100 times return. Now, if I invested $100, it becomes $10,000. So it's a massive return, but in my risk is just $100, and that's how I think about Safemoon. So, but invest based on if you think $100, if you think $1,000, $5,000, depends upon what is your risk tolerance and how much money you're willing to lose if you have to. Now, Safemoon aims to reward hodlers or holders. So basically, they're trying to say is whenever you sell Safemoon, as I just talked about, there's a sales tax. 5% goes to the current holders. It is redistributed as the reward, and 5% goes back to the exchanges, and they're getting burned, so on and so forth. So that's how Safemoon works. And as I already mentioned, it is a little bit tough at the moment to buy Safemoon. There are definitely some concerns around the scam, that where there are lots of videos around having some of the fishy information about Safemoon. So, but so far it has been launching for more and more exchanges, and there is a lot more community behind it. Their developers came into one of the roundtable and shared a lot of information as well to build the confidence, and it does seem like it could be a legit currency. So you definitely not want to invest your entire life savings something like that. So this is the pancake swap screenshot, how you buy Safemoon from BNB, and this is how you can do it. And one more thing, that there is a huge spike that you can also see right here, how it spiked up, and there could be another opportunity that this could spike up once again back to above 14 or 1500 levels in very short period of time. And this is one of the price prediction that one of this portal is giving, but I do not really think that no one knows where Safemoon can go. If someone is giving you price prediction, probably they're shooting an arrow in the dark, so I wouldn't consider that as a legit information. But these are the FAQs, frequently asked questions, that I want to share with you, which is very important, which is very informative. So I want to share with you how many Safemoon coins are available. It is 1 quadrillion. So 777 trillion tokens were made available for the community at launch. 223 trillion are held in the developer wallet. Will Safemoon price go up? If there is a continued interest from cryptocurrency traders from the community, from Reddit, a lot of communities after Dogecoin, similarly a lot of community after Safemoon as well. The DeFi token price are likely to be volatile, subject to large price swings as well. Some of the token will see the sharp peaks as well. If there is if wealth starts selling, so there's definitely some risk, the regular risk that we see in cryptocurrency, and definitely that those risk factors are also going to impact Safemoon price point as well. But yes, if there is a strong community, the way we see it is growing, definitely the price will go up. Can Safemoon reach to 1 cent level? The price is forecast from cryptocurrency prediction indicates that Safemoon price will remain at a fraction of a cent, which is okay, because right now it is way below the penny point, one penny, way below 1 penny. So even if it goes to half a penny, it will be more than 100 times price point spike. So for early investors, does not really matter at this point. It is going to be a juicy return on the investment, regardless if it goes anywhere near to 1 cent or a penny. Now, if Safemoon coin is a good investment, once again, do your own due diligence, research and analysis. But what I'm trying to say is your downside could be $100, your upside could be $10,000. So So think about yourself, how much money you're willing to lose. It's a new token, relatively little known. There are some challenges to buy and sell as well. So you should do your own research and make informed decision as to whether it's a good fit for you or not. Where you can buy Safemoon, I just mentioned that it is going to be available on 7 new exchanges. Right now, the easiest way could be buying through your Trust wallet and the Pancake Swap. And it is tedious. It is a bit complex right at the moment. So there are definitely some efforts to be made. It's not as easy as just going into your Binance or some sort of Coinbase account and buy Safemoon at this price point. But hey, if you work a little bit more, there is a lot more upside. You could be one of the early investor. You could get all the benefits of getting early into the game, so that when it spikes up massively, you can get the return on investment. Once again, I don't know whether it's going to be relatively short period of time or a long, but for myself, I'm thinking there will be some good returns, at least for myself. And trade cryptocurrencies with CFDs at capital.com. This is kind of a promotion for this particular portal, but I wanted to share this information with you, hoping you can make some informed financial decision. The price point has been spiking up. As I mentioned, it is close to 2 times more than what we saw around this 370s and 400 levels. Once again, it went back up, went back down, and right here before a couple of days, it was once again back to 300, 400 levels, and right now it is above 700 levels. I hope you guys like this information. Give me a like, because I put a lot of efforts, a lot of energy into this videos, a lot of research as well. If you click the like button, this video can reach to more and more people. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.